Carrier HVAC systems use error codes to diagnose problems. Error code F3 indicates an outdoor temperature sensor failure. This sensor measures the external air temperature, which is crucial for efficient operation, especially for defrost cycles in heat pumps and overall system performance. When you see F3, it means your system isn't getting accurate temperature readings from outside. The outdoor temperature sensor is a thermistor that sends data to the thermostat's control board. This data helps regulate compressor operation and defrosting cycles. Without accurate readings, your HVAC system might not heat or cool efficiently, potentially leading to higher energy bills and discomfort. Think of it as the system's way of knowing how hard it needs to work based on the outside conditions. Several factors can trigger an F3 error in Carrier HVAC systems. These include wiring faults like loose connections, often due to vibration, sensor degradation from moisture or ice, rodent damage to the wiring, or electrical surges. Extreme weather can exacerbate these issues, leading to sensor corrosion or damage. Regularly inspecting your outdoor unit can help prevent these problems. When you see the F3 error, start by powering off your HVAC system. Then, inspect the sensor wiring at the outdoor unit for any visible damage or loose connections. Make sure to carefully examine the wires for any signs of corrosion or breaks. A visual inspection can often reveal the root cause of the problem. If the wiring appears intact, the next step is to test the sensor using a multimeter. Ensure the HVAC system is completely powered off to avoid electrical hazards. Use the multimeter to check the sensor's continuity. Set the multimeter to ohms mode to measure resistance. At room temperature, a working sensor should show approximately 10,000 ohms of resistance, often written as 10K ohms. Connect the multimeter probes to the sensor's wires and take the reading. If the resistance is significantly different from 10K ohms, or if there's no continuity at all, the sensor is likely faulty and needs replacement. If the sensor is faulty, replace it with a compatible part like HH46A01 or equivalent, which typically costs $20 to $50. Ensure the new sensor is properly connected and secured to the outdoor unit. After replacing the sensor, reset the thermostat by holding the reset button for 5 to 10 seconds. This clears the error code and allows the system to recognize the new sensor. HVAC systems are evolving towards predictive maintenance, using Internet of Things technology and artificial intelligence. Modern Carrier units feature integrated sensors that continuously monitor system performance. These sensors can self-diagnose errors, like the F3 outdoor temperature sensor failure, and suggest fixes directly through mobile apps. Users receive notifications and guided repair steps, making maintenance more accessible. Future Carrier models will use machine learning to analyze historical data and predict sensor failures before they happen. This eliminates the need for manual intervention, catching issues like F3 errors early. This proactive approach significantly reduces system downtime and repair costs, making HVAC maintenance more efficient and cost-effective for homeowners and businesses. Always disconnect power to your HVAC system before performing any repairs to avoid electrical hazards. Working with electrical components can cause shocks, system damage, or void warranties if done incorrectly. If you're not comfortable with electrical work or the problem persists after basic troubleshooting, consult a licensed HVAC technician.